Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the I Am Cat game on mobile. First, locate and download the I Am Cat application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the game and follow the brief introductory tutorial. This will quickly familiarize you with the core mechanics, such as navigating your feline character and interacting with objects in the environment. It's a simple process to get started, ensuring you're ready for adventure in just a few moments. To master I Am Cat, focus on its intuitive controls. A virtual joystick on the left side of your screen allows for smooth, precise movement of your cat. On the right, you'll find an action button. Tap it to make your cat jump over obstacles or interact with various items in the game world. Many challenges involve solving environmental puzzles, often requiring you to push, pull, or climb objects to progress. Exploration is a key element in I Am Cat. Wander through beautifully designed levels, from cozy homes to bustling streets, searching for hidden pathways and secret areas. Keep an eye out for collectibles like fish, which are essential for unlocking new cat breeds, accessories, or special abilities. Engaging with non-player characters and completing their quests will also provide you with valuable rewards, enhancing your overall gameplay experience. For advanced play, remember to experiment with your cat's unique abilities. Some cats might jump higher, while others are more agile. Always observe your surroundings carefully. The game often provides subtle visual clues to help you solve puzzles or find hidden items. Practicing your timing for jumps and precise movements will significantly improve your success rate in more challenging sections. Enjoy becoming the ultimate virtual feline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.